How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for low light on your DJI Action 3, 4, and 5. So basically, all of these devices have similar settings, so you could just go ahead and follow along. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the main settings and just make sure that you are on the Pro mode. So you can do that by clicking on this button right here. Right after, if it's really dark, we can adjust the exposure by heading over to this option right here, which is inside exposure. And basically, if you adjust this toggle right here, as you can see, the image will get darker because it's lowering down the exposure itself. But if you want to go ahead and manually make it a little bit brighter, you could adjust this to maybe this values right here. Of course, you could just test this out when you're actually using it. But this is the first way on how you can increase the exposure and also increasing the brightness of the camera itself. In my case, I'm going to leave it at default. Now, of course, you want to set it to manual by clicking on this button. And now we have the ability to set it manually this way. So basically, right after adjusting the exposure the way you want to, you could just click on confirm. You want to scroll down, and then we have the image adjustment. You could just make sure that it is selected on default. And for colors, I suggest choosing the D-Log M because it's easier for us to edit out the color correction for brightness, sharpen, or basically adjusting the color of the image itself after filming the video. So inside this page, just click on WB, and then once again, you could just set it to automatic. And for the low light image enhancer, you could just make sure that this is turned on. Let's go ahead and switch to photo, scroll down, and then just use this similar setting right here. And then basically that's going to be the main settings for our DJI Action 3, 4, 5, and 6. You could just go ahead and follow these options right here. And for the frame rate and for the resolution itself, I suggest choosing something like 2K resolution and above. So you could use 2.7K and 4K because 1080p will actually degrade the quality itself. So choosing something like 2.7K will actually improve the overall quality, especially during night mode. And so that's all of the settings in today's video. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.